Okay, introduce yourself and ask me a question.
Hello, my name is Yasser Alhayat. I want to ask you about what is the definition of language text?
In my opinion,
Yes, in your opinion.
the simple way for me to explain what linguistic is that it's a way to communicate with each other. So not just like normal language like English, Indian, French, like that, but also in sign language. Is that enough?
No.
Okay. Next, you introduce yourself and ask me a question.
Hi, my name is Hanifah Kurniawati.
Okay.
My question is, in your opinion,
Okay.
why is language worth to study?
Okay. So like now we are discussing using what language, right? So if you want to talk about, if you want to talk to someone, if you want to discuss something, if you want to explain something to other, you have to learn about linguistic. And if we don't understand a language, we can communicate with each other. Okay. Thank you. Next.
Hello, my name is Camila. I want to ask about how important sign language to us.
Okay. For us, in my opinion, it's not really important yet because there are not much deaf people around us. But for people that have a lot of deaf people around them, it is an important thing that they have to learn because they needed to communicate with deaf people. Okay. Is that enough? Thank you.
Alright, so I am Khairman Adatama Abdulaziz, but you can call me Iman, and I want to ask about phonology.
Okay. So you want me to explain what phonology is?
Phonology.
Phonology is kind of similar to phonetic. It's talking about the sound language, but the difference is phonology is talking about the function of sound language. For example, it is talking about syllables, like computer has three syllables, and it's talking about how a word was pronounced, like that. Is it enough? Okay, next.
My name is Maisel Amrisa. You can call me Maisy. What is the semantic?
What is it?
What is the semantic?
Semantic is one of the element of linguistics. There are two types of semantic: lexicosemantic and compositional semantic. So the first one is lexicosemantic. It is talking about the meaning of a word, like individually word, like what is chair mean, what table means, what is the lecturer means. Meanwhile, the compositional semantic is talking about the meaning of a word that is combined that become a sentence. Is that enough? Okay, next.
My name is Milani Fabiola. I will ask about syntax.
What?
Syntax. No, I will ask about syntax.
Syntax. Oh, okay. Syntax, in my opinion, is that it's the main core of the linguistic. It talks about how you arrange a sentence, how you make a great sentence, a perfect sentence, and grammar is one of the things that is included in syntax. Is that enough? Okay, thank you, all of you.
Okay, my name is Naurana Natika. I have a question. Can you explain what is lexicology?
Lexicology is one of the elements of the linguistic that explains about the meaning of a word, like the individually word. Is that enough? Okay.
My name is Salma Arfelia. I want to ask you why is important to learn about linguistics.
Because like right now we are discussing using a language. If we don't know how to use a language, we can talk with each other, we can communicate, we can do anything around us, and our life would be so boring. Is that enough? Next.
Okay, my name is Amal Fadil. I wanna ask a question about. Can you explain about syntax?
Syntax for me is the most important or like the main core of linguistic it explains about how we arrange a sentence, how we make a sentence, how we create a sentence like the perfect sentence. So grammar is included in the syntax. Is that enough? Thank you. Thank you. Do I stop it or do I have to stop? Okay. Because in this first two group, I stopped it before Mr. told me to stop. Let's put it right here. What's your name again?
Aura.
Naura. Salma. What do you think about the meeting yesterday? Like, the senior told us that voting is a bad thing to do, but in the last minute they told us to raise our hand. Isn't that the same thing as voting? But like the senior told us that voting is a bad thing to do. But oh yeah.
Stop and assess. Dalam.
Okay.
Okay, my name is Harikritin Nugraha. I'm gonna ask you this question. In your opinion,
Okay.
what is sorry, why is learning language is very important?
Because like right now we are discussing about things. When we talk about someone, we talk with our friends, we communicate with each other, we have to use a language. If we don't know how to use a language, if you don't understand the language that they use, we can't understand anything that they are talking about. So, yeah. Is that enough? Next.
My name is Firdawiana Fitri. How do you know syntax?
Okay. Syntax for me is like a main core in linguistics. If you want to arrange a sentence, if you want to make a sentence like a perfect sentence, if you want people to understand what you are talking about, you have to understand syntax. Like syntax also includes grammar in them. So yeah, is that enough? Okay, next.
Okay, my name is Surabhika. I want to ask you, in your opinion, is sign language is included in linguistics or not?
For me, yes. Do I have to give you a reason?
Yes. Or explanation, just a
Okay.
short explanation.
Linguistic study explains about the structure and the use of the language. Also, it focuses on the universal principle. Is that enough? Okay, thank you. So, how are you guys today? Have you ate? No, yet? Not yet? I'm fine. I haven't eat yet. So, yeah. I'm a bit. What is it? Yeah. You were presenter last week, right?
It's very
Yeah.
interesting and hard.
Should be time now. We still have 30 seconds left.
If you still have time, ask more questions.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Okay, my name is Reza Randa Ramadan. You can call me Reza. So my simple question is, what's the connection between linguistic and human language?
Linguistic is a study that is talking about human language, not just like English or Indian or French. It also talks about sign language. It also talks about the 7 elements of language. So, yeah, is that enough?
Yes.
My name is Olaf Agrawani.
Okay.
Usually call me Dava. My question is, do you know what? Can you explain me the function linguistic in forensic?
In forensic?
Yeah.
Okay. So the profession forensic linguistic, right? It helps the police to, what do you call it? So it helps the police to investigate the legal crimes, the illegal crimes, yeah, something like that. I'm sorry I cannot explain it very well.
My name is Putri Sasreka and I want to ask you, do you think linguistic is a science?
What is it?
Do you think linguistic is a science?
In my opinion, yes. Do you want my reason? Do you want my reason?
Yeah.
So, linguistic explains about the structure and the use of the language. Also, it how do you say it? It focuses more on a universal principle. Is that enough? Okay. Thank you for asking me a simple question. Yeah, I don't. I won't. How are you today?
I always go, but I hate myself.
Why?
I just hate myself. I really enjoy my life.
You should enjoy your life. What about you?
Me too, but I'm a little bit of hosted. Like
What?
hosted.
Exhausted.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Have you eat? Have you eat lunch yet?
Right now is
What about you? Have you done? Have you
I'm
eaten lunch?
eating.
Okay. You? How was your day? Did you eat anything before this class?
Huh?
Did you eat anything before this class? No.
I think the guest looking at me, so I'm scared.
Yeah, it has 2 eyes.
You got staring. That's scared.
Yeah. So,
So how do you feel?
How do you feel?
Right? Anxious.
it was very scary for the first group, and then the second one. But after the third, the fourth, and the fifth one, it became normal. Just
And you enjoy it.
it's actually kind of fun.
Human just need adaptation.
Yeah. Yep. We just have to adapt to our surroundings. Okay, thank you guys. Okay.
So my name is Abdul Majoki from Maldiv. So my question is, can you give me a sample for pragmatics?
Pragmatics. So pragmatic talks about how we can understand a sentence just by looking by the context. For example, if someone says to you, "Oh, it's getting late tonight," that means that they want to go home already. So is that enough? Okay, next.
Can you explain to me what is pragmatics?
Pragmatics. So as I said before, it means that how we can understand a sentence just by looking at the context of the sentence. So yeah.
Oh,
My name is Salsabila Denilai. I want to ask you what is morphology?
Morphology talks about the structure of a word. So for example, if you want to say something plural, you just have to add an s in the end of the word. For example, like if you want to say a lot of cat, you just have to add an s and it becomes cats. And the other example is that if you want to explain something that you did in the past, you can use the simple past tenses. You can say, "Oh, I bumped into him last night." So yeah, just use the verb ed and they will understand that that you are talking about something that you did in the past. Is that enough? Okay. Thank you guys. So how was your day? Yeah. Did you eat anything else before this class?
Yeah, maybe like rice and chicken.
Okay. No? You didn't eat anything?
No.
What about you? Did you eat anything before coming to the class?
How about you?
I haven't eaten anything since the morning.
Oh, you have to eat before you have to eat before you get a GERD from you.
Yeah, I should have done that, but yeah, I had a lot of things to do before this class, so oop, oop. It's kind of fun to being a presenter
Why?
because you can communicate with everyone in the class. You can know their name. Like Felsabila, I didn't know her name before, but now that I became a presenter, I know her name and I know her face. And yeah, you can communicate with everyone.
With being presenter, you can know everyone.
Yeah, you can also yeah
You know my name?
Stop and assess.
yeah, I do.